Hi guys, let's welcome to our channel. Today's topic is percentage problems. We will discuss about the 5 problems in this session. Let's see first problem. The first problem question is 12% of 980 minus question mark percent of 450 is equals to 30% of 227. The question mark means we want to take any alphabet, that is X or anything. Now in this chapter we want to remember the first main thing is the percent means 100. Now 12% means 12 by 100, half means into 980 minus, you want to take any alphabet like X. X percent means X by 100, half means into 450 is equal to 30% means 30 by 100 into 227. Now this and this will cancel. 2, 6, 2, 5, 980 into 6 is 98 into 6 is 98 into 6 is 48, 6 9 54, 588. 588 by 5 minus X by 100 into 450. Now 0 will cancel. 5 2s, 5 9s is equals to 0 cancel. 3 into 227, 227 into 3, 3 7s 21, 3 2 6, 8, 3 2 6. Now 681 by 10, that is 68.1. Now 588 by 5 minus 9x by 2 is equals to 68.1. Now want to cross multiply it. Now subtract. 588 into 2 is equals to 2 8 16, 2 8 16 plus 1 is equals to 17, 3 5 10, 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. 1176 minus 9x into 5 is 45x divided by 5 into 2 is 10 is equals to 68.1 is also written as 681 by 10. Now 10 will cancel. Now want to use the transposition method. 45x is equal to 681. That is 45x will go other side, is equal to, will become plus 45x is equals to 681 plus 681 will become will go to this side and will become minus 681. That is 1176 minus 681. Now want to subtract. 1176 minus 681. That is 6 minus 1 is 5, 17, 10. So 17, 10, 17 minus 8 is 9, 10 minus 6 is 4, 0. So answer 495 is equals to 45x. Now x is equals to 495 by 45. Now want to divide with 5 table, or else we can divide with 45. I will divide with 5. 5 9s, 5 8 4, 5 9s 45, 99. 9 1s 9 11. X is equals to 11. Let's see second problem. I will read the second problem question. 80% of 50% of 250% of 34. Now percent means 100. 80% means 80 by 100 into half means into 50 by 100, half means into 250 by 100 into 34. Now this cancel. cancel. This 5 ones, 5 twos, 2 ones, 2 fours. Now 4 by 10 into 25 by 10 into 34. 425 means 100. 10 into 10, 100 into 34. 100 will cancel. The answer is 34. Now third question. I will read the third question. 2 by 3 into 1 by 7 into x is equals to 87.5% of 240. In this question we want to find the value of x. That is 2 by 3 into 1 by 7 into x is equals to 87.5 means 875 by 10, percent means by 100, half means into 240. Now 2 into 1 into x is 2x by 3 sevens 21. Now 100 will go 875 by 10 divided by 100 is equals to 875 by 10 into 1 by 100. That is 875 by tau n. That is 0.875 is equals to 0.875 into 240. Now x is equals to 0.875 into 240 into 21 by 2. Division will go other side means we will become multiply and reciprocal. 2 ones 120s. Now 875 by 0.875 we can also write it as 875 by 1000 into 120 into 21. Now we have to multiply 875 into 21. 875 into 21, that is 875 into 2 5s 10, 2 7 14 15, 2 8 16 17, 5 7 8 plus 5 is 13, 18375 into 120 by it is 18375 into 12. 18375 into 12, that is 2 5s 10, 2 7s 14 plus 1 is 15, 2 3 6 7, 2 8 16, 2 18375 into 1 is 18375. 0 5 plus 5 is 10, 7 plus 7 plus 1 is 15, 6 plus 3 plus 1 is 10, a plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, 220,500 by 100, that is the answer is 2205. The fourth problem is, I will read the question of fourth problem, that is 20% of 50% of 75% of 80. Now 20% means 100. 20% means 20 by 100. Half means into 50% means 50 by 100. Half means into 75% means 75 by 100 into 80. Now I want to cancel. 21s 25s, 51s 52s, 5 ones, 5 15s, 5 20s. 0 cancel, 2 ones, 2 4s. Now 15 into 4 by 5 twos 10. 15 4 60 by 10. The answer is 6. Now fifth problem. I will read the question of fifth problem, that is 0.9% of 450 divided by 0.2% of 250 is what? Now 0.9 means 9 by 10, percent means divided by 100, half means into 450 divided by 0.2 means 2 by 10, percent means by 100 into 250. Now 9 by 10 divided 100 into 450 divided by 2 by 10 divided by 100 into 250. Now 9 by 10 into division 1 to multiply means 1 by 100 into 450 divided by 2 by 10 into 1 by 100 into 250. Now 0 0 cancel, 5 9s, 5 2s, 0 0 cancel, 5 2s, 5 5s, 5 1s, 5 5 2s. Now 9 9s, 81 by 10 2s, 20 divided by 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is half. 8 by 20 divided by half is equals to 81 by 20 into 2. 2 ones, 2 tens. That is 8.1.